I've been listening to a lot of country trap artists lately, like Jamie Ray and Morgan Wallen. So this is the type of beat I would make for them. And this is a collaboration with Sweet Speaker and also Johnny Walker guitar. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, so first we've got this guitar melody, and this came from Johnny, and he's a super talented guitarist. And I just chopped up, he sent me a whole guitar melody, and I chopped up the parts that I like. So here's how it goes. And this is just for the intro part, introducing it. And then we get into the verse. And it's just building up. And then we're getting into a second part that changes up a little. So just something that's, not too crazy, but lets you know that something's changed. And then we get into like a breakdown part. Shout out to him, because people that play guitar are just on my list of great people. Here's the hook. And then this just repeats twice. And I like that note, that just like that thing, And then for the second verse, I switched the two melody parts, so it's just flipped. And that's just to do a little change, a little switcheroo. But again, it's gonna lead into the bridge part, then the hook, and then the outro, right? So I'm gonna stop it there. And next, what I did is, of course, I love adding the 808. So there's two patterns to this. There is the 808 that happens in the first part, and then the 808 that happens in the actual hook. So we're gonna start off with the verse. And I just wanted it to follow along with the bass notes that I could hear. And it's just so simple, honestly. It's a vibe though. Okay, and then when we get into this hook part, and again, simple, and then there's just little 3 hits on the 3, yeah. And I just love doing 808s, like, that's my favorite part of making beats. Okay, so we got the 808, and then of course the kick is essentially just copying the 808 pattern and taking out some of the notes, so nothing too crazy. And in the verse, on the first one, I have it come in 2 bars later, so just to give it, that oomph when you listen to it. So it goes like this. Just a hard kick to come in there. Right, and then we got just a regular clap. And then we got some hi-hats. A little roll in there, kind of sliding down. Nothing too crazy. And then on this second part, we do have a counter snare pattern. Very simple. And then we've got finally the open hat. Okay, so I'm just gonna play the rest of the beat, and so you can listen to it, how it goes.
Minnie, that's major.
Sweet speaker, mate.